Hey y'all, it's Nicole and I am with Living Well Properties. If you are tuning in for the very first time, this is what we do for our buyers who are looking to build new construction homes. We go out and we film the whole process for them. We're there for them at every meeting that there is. If they have to go to design center, we're there to help them choose all of their finish out. And it is an awesome process. It's an exciting process, but you need help. So we are here to do that for you. If you are looking for an agent to help you with this process, I would love to be that agent. Please feel free to call, text, or email me, and I will get back to you. For my awesome clients who are moving into this amazing house we're about to go through, we're in the Grove right now in Frisco. Trophy Signature Homes is moving right along on this new construction home, so I'm going to flip it around so we can see what's been done since the last time we were out here. Okay, y'all, so since last time, the exterior of the house really hasn't changed much. They've got all the brick and stone up. They have added a front door up there. We'll get closer to that in a second. But they've also got down the form boards and the rebar grid pattern for the driveway and then the sidewalk. So that will be poured hopefully this week. We had a little bit of rain at the end of last week. They were hoping to do it then, but yeah. So all the rain that keeps happening here is causing some serious delays in a lot of our construction, but that's okay. We will make it through. All right, so heading on up, this is a 2-car garage, and then we'll go in through the front. Okay, so I really like this front door. This is pretty. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a pattern on the glass. It's really cool. Okay, so they have painted. That's awesome. That was not painted last time we were here. So we've got our trim work and doors and walls. Everything is painted. That looks awesome. Right as we come in, we have a secondary bedroom. So nice tall ceilings. And a walk-in closet, generously sized walk-in closet. Very cool. Outside of this room is a full, well, 3/4 bath because it's a stand-up shower. There's not a tub in here. But they got the tile up, guys. That looks really cool. It's like that Carrara marble. Oh, and I like that shelf there is glass and it's not made out of tile. That's awesome. So the same tile that's in the shower, the big tile, not the little one on the floor, is on the floor of the bathroom. You kind of see there. And they got the cabinets in, waiting on the countertops, and then the plumbing fixtures. We'll be moving right along, getting those probably in the next week or two. Off to the left as we continue in is the formal dining. This is a really nice neutral color that they've chosen for the house. If I had to guess, I bet it's Repose Gray, maybe. It's a really cool color because it can be, you can decorate with browns or grays and it works. So this is just a little storage closet here. The mud bench is in. That was not here last time. Very cool. And then across from the dining room is the kitchen and great room. So cabinets, this is a big difference. This was not here last time. And then those are windows above the cabinets up at the top. That adds some transient light in here. I love the white cabinets, shaker style. These are all things you get to choose when you build to suit. In an inventory home, unfortunately, especially this market, most builders are only doing inventory homes. You can't choose. They choose for you. But they usually do a really good job. So very cool. All right, so you can clearly see that's where your oven will go. I think it's a double oven there, and then a microwave, and then your refrigerator here. Your gas cooktop will go here. We don't have a sink yet, but it will go here. Dishwasher, and just more cabinetry. I think this is a pull out trash can. That's cool. Those are so handy. Very cool. All right, and into the great room. So the ceilings pop up in here. Oh, they did the beam. Oh, my heart sings when I see beams on ceilings. They're so cool. Love it. Awesome. This is such a great room. And then, Trophy Signature has some modern touches to their finish out. So the fireplace and then these little cool square windows, they're not operable, but they're just cool. They give that contemporary feel. So yeah, this is going to be a stunning fireplace once that's done. Back over here in the corner, we have the master bedroom and the laundry room. Laundry room is nice, big laundry room. You've got cabinets above your washer and dryer, and then you have room for a refrigerator or stand-up freezer. There is going to be a sink here. I'm guessing there's not going to be a cabinet underneath it, being that there would be a cabinet there otherwise. And the master and the other beam is done. So pretty. Love that. Nice windows, lots and lots of light in here. And then this is a seating area in the master, but you know, you can use it for whatever. I believe my clients are going to use it as an office since there's not a dedicated office here, but it's pretty cool that that's an option. And into the master bath. So you have to the left his and hers vanities, countertops and sinks to be continued, and then the shower. Like that tile. That's a elongated subway tile, and there's kind of like it's got like a wave to it. That's neat. The floor is the same floor that's in that front bathroom that we saw. Little Carrara marble squares. It's pretty. You have your water closet over here. Okay, same tile on the floor. I believe that's in the front bathroom too. See if I can't get a better. All this paper is down to help protect it, but yeah, it's that Carrara marble. So there we go. There's a much better. And then you have your linen closet here. And you guys, one of the other things you get to do whenever you're picking a house is choose the doors throughout. And this door here is super cool. I really like all the, it's like, what is that, 6, because this is an 8-foot door. The shorter doors, like the 6 and whatever foot tall doors, are only 5 squares, but this has 6. It's really cool. Okay, master closet. Tons and tons of room in here. And down to the other side. It's a very big closet. It's awesome. Okay. Now let's go back out and upstairs. We'll go out on the patio at the end. But I love the stairs. I love the wrought iron balusters that they chose. That's also more of a contemporary choice that they've made. I love, love, love it. And then you also have open railing up here as well, where they've got more balusters, stained handrails. Okay, so upstairs we have 3 more secondary bedrooms, 2 more full bathrooms, and then this game room, and then a dedicated media room. So the lights are not on in here yet. This is really dark, but I will stand here and you should get a pretty good idea. This is the perfect media room or a teenager's room who wants to be left alone and in the dark. Awesome. Okay, this looks over into the front foyer. Very nice. Going into this secondary bedroom tucked over here. This has its own bath, full bath. Looks like the same tile, maybe just slightly larger than what's downstairs. Plumbing fixtures are not in yet, but there is a cabinet behind this door, and the toilet's behind there too. Okay, see, this is a shorter door. Downstairs we have 8-foot doorways. Upstairs, I think these are 6'2" or 4 is what the other standard size is, but you can see there's only 5 of those. Well, now they're rectangles, but it's a really cool door. This one faces the front, and then walk-in closet. And there we go. They're doing a really good job with the construction in here. Like they're paying a lot of attention to detail and it looks really good. All right. Over here we have just a closet, storage, linen, whatever you want that to be. And then these 2 bedrooms, there's one here and then directly at the end. They both share, they have a Jack and Jill bath. So I'm gonna go in here, you get a good idea. Looks amazing. And then this bedroom here has a vanity and then the closet in there. And then the shared part, of course, the bathtub, same tile, same finish out. And then it goes through, this room has just a vanity on its side of the Jack and Jill, and the closet is actually inside the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. Really like those walls. The color is really nice. And then this closet. Oh, and there's even more hanging on that side. This might be the biggest closet of the secondary bedrooms. Nice. Yeah, they did a really good job painting. All right, now we're gonna head down and look at the patio. One more look at the pretty beam. Goodbye, beam. Okay. And outside, we have a very generously sized patio with the grill will be at that end on that column. So there's your gas line. And this is actually wired for TV, so you could put it on that wall. This is a really nice space. You could easily fit a sectional sofa out here. Looks really, really nice. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour for this week. We are moving right along in this construction process. Things are really coming together and should start happening a lot quicker. It's that front part of the construction where they're framing and getting walls up and stuff can sometimes drag a little bit, but this is the part where it really starts to pick up pace. Very exciting stuff, and we should be done here in about a month. Wow. Okay, well, until next time, you guys have a great week and stay safe. God bless. Bye.